Well, this shirt's going in with me too. Woo!
I call first. What says this is a bad idea to you? Where's the paramedics?
Yeah, that's what we said. They don't come till Saturday.
Oh, I still have Briar now. That's a long ways to go. That'll be okay.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Can I go first?
Yeah, go ahead.
Ready?
Oh my God! Woo! Oh! Woo! I lost both of mine.
Yeah, mine are up there.
Oh!